Good morning. So today on this episode of What Plant Is That, Paul? I just wanted to kind of brag and show off and explain the Brazilian fern tree, which is native to Brazil, hardy to 25 degrees, called the world's fastest growing tree. Grows about 9 feet a year, even in Southern California. But I just wanted to really briefly show the utter beauty of this plant. So this is what the new growth looks like. It's really kind of dense down here, but as you get up to the new growth here, all of these are it grew all this already in about 6 weeks. Once you get to this really new growth here, it's very, very sticky. So it feels like honey, like it's been doused in honey, maybe to protect it from pests. But then as soon as you let go, there's very little to no residue. So super cool. Again, it's really, really sticky. The colors on this plant are stupendous. You just see shades of green to brown. Each branch, I guess, well, those hummingbirds flew past me. Each branch is about over 4 feet here. The only problem is it's a little dry. These will dry off and fall off since this is a cutting that I'm trying to take. But I just want you to see these will grow about over 4 feet. Really, really beautiful, really lightweight. And they kind of remind me of those sensory plants in a way. Can't remember the name of them offhand, but that's how long each branch is. And again, this is a cutting from the Brazilian fern tree that all this was grown in the past 6 weeks. So I put some root hormone. This is the biggest cutting I've ever taken, and my strategy is to really use a nice green piece that's straight. And what's going to happen is all of these leaves are going to fall off here, all of these. And what will remain will be this small new growth. And my recommendation is past success rate. I had some success, keeping it in full sun. So Southern California. So I'm going to keep this in full sun right here, see how it does. And I expect all those branches to fall off in the next day or two. And we'll see if I can keep it green and see if it will take. I really would like some more of these trees in our yard. They're drought tolerant and really, really beautiful. Here's another cutting. I had success last year with the one about this size. Looks very similar. And then this one, I'm not sure if it's going to take because I failed. I put it in too much shade. And this cutting was not very green like the other one you saw. This one was brown to start with. However, you can see there's still some green on there. And this has been a month or a little closer to 2 months cutting. Let's see if we could get that. However, there is some growth there. Let's see if I could get it to focus. Come on, it's annoying. Sorry about that. Better angle. There is some new growth on this thing, so we'll see how it does, and hopefully we'll have more of these cuttings. But we did have one that was successful so far. All right, so give us a like and subscribe, and have a great day. All right, bam. Dude, it's creepy.